For the function f of x equals negative 3x plus 4, we're going to complete parts A through C. So the first thing we want to do is find f of x plus h. So x plus h becomes the input for this function. So let's go ahead and work this out. So I'm going to write out first the function, which is f of x, which is equal to negative 3x plus 4. Okay, so in this first part, we can see that x represents the input. And so now what we want to do is find f of x plus h, because now that's going to become the input for x. So you can see here that this x plus h now needs to be substituted in for x. So we have negative 3 times x plus h plus 4. And so now we're going to distribute the negative 3 to both of those two terms. So negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times h is negative 3h. And then that's plus 4. And therefore that's going to represent f of x plus h. So let's go ahead and put that in as a result. We have negative 3x minus 3h, and then plus 4. Let's check our answer, and there's our result. Now we want to find f of x plus h minus f of x. So this is the second part here. Okay, so for step number 1, we want to find f of x plus h, and then we're going to subtract the function f of x. Okay, so what do we know? We know that f of x plus h we found in the first part, and that's equal to negative 3x minus 3h plus 4. So let's go ahead and then replace that with negative 3x minus 3h plus 4, and then we're going to subtract f of x. Now we know that f of x was given here, and that's equal to negative 3x plus 4. So let's go ahead and plug that in. So now we get negative 3x plus 4. And now we need to distribute and then combine like terms. So in step number 3, this remains the same on the left. We have negative 3x minus 3h plus 4. And then we're going to distribute the negative sign there. So negative times negative 3x is plus 3x. And negative times a positive 4 is going to give us negative 4. Okay, now can we combine like terms? When we combine like terms, we can see that negative 3x plus 3x gives us 0. 4 minus 4 also gives us 0. So the only thing that's remaining is negative 3h. So in step number 4, the answer is negative 3h. So let's go ahead and put that answer in here. So we got negative 3h. Check our answer. There's our result. Now we want to find part C. So part C, we already found the numerator because we saw that f of x plus h minus f of x gave us this result, which is negative 3h. So in the numerator, we have negative 3h, and then we're dividing that by h. So we're going to divide that by h. So what happens? Well, we can see that h divided by h is equal to 1. And so therefore, negative 3 times 1 is going to equal negative 3. So therefore, the answer is negative 3. check our answer, and there's our result.